said goodbye on Sunday morning. I must be moving on and head on down the road. So you're thinking I'll come crawling back to you, but I'm already gone. I've been going through some changes on my own, trying to find out where I've been. Here up north ain't where I wanna be, so I'm Texas bound again. Time alone spent in the mountains is something we all need to find a little peace. Yeah, I'm down here in this valley while you're up on that peak, and now I finally see. I've been going through some changes on my own, trying to find out where I've been. Here up north ain't where I wanna be, so I'm Texas bound again. Some changes on my own, trying to find out where I've been. Here up north ain't where I wanna be, so I'm Texas bound again. Here up north ain't where I wanna be, so I'm Texas bound again. Cowboy on the northern range, followed the cold mister, sun and rain. Spend my nights by the campfire light, nothing with hair that I couldn't ride. I grew older, sir, tired of poor. Bought me a guitar and learned some chords. I grabbed my saddle and headed south. There ain't no gold living in this hard town. Still something missing, mister, in my life. So I took an East Coast girl for my wife. She works hard, does the best she can, putting food on the table for Guitar Man. Straight out of Sunday school, she cries sometimes, trying hard to love me through the smoke-filled lies. But she's always there till the bars close down. There ain't no soul living in this hard town. Well, I stood in the doorway of this wanderlust, settled down at the crossroad where it's a bank of bus. Searched the yellow pages and one thing I found: there ain't no hope living in this hard town. There ain't no soul living in this hard town. They told me this was like a promised land. There ain't no spare change for blue-collar hands. How am I to measure, mister, what I'm worth? I'm sorry, son, we just don't have the work. Can't hold a job if you're holding a dream. That's what that homeless man, he said to me. Survival betrayal is what it's all about. There ain't a dime living in this hard town. Well, I stood in the doorway of this wanderlust, settled down at the crossroad where it's a bank of bus. Searched the yellow pages and one thing I found: there ain't no hope living in this hard town. There ain't no soul living in this hard town. Hey! Some nights I lie awake, hold her tight, see what I'd done to her and apologize. Throw a prayer to the ceiling and I ask the Lord how I ended up here with an East Coast girl. I tell her of a place I used to know, long summer days and that high mountain snow. I got some good friends out there still around. There ain't pride living in this hard town. Well, I stood in the doorway of this wanderlust, settled down at the crossroad where it's a bank of bus. Running with the weary and I've been shot down. There ain't no hope living in this hard town. There ain't no soul living in this hard town. Ain't got no pride living in this hard town. Won't spend no time living in this hard town. Rainy nights and empty feelings, no inspiration, just stare at the ceiling. It's too early to go to sleep, too late to stay awake, so I'll pick a little lazy tune, just for time to waste. I don't need a reason, I'm just entertaining boredom for the evening. Kitchen table, cheap cigarettes, don't mind the label, just as nasty as the rest. I don't smoke, but when I'm able to be random and absurd, tobacco's conversation. I can't find the words, I don't need a reason. I'm just entertaining boredom for the evening. My eyes are hazy and the air is getting thick. I ain't that crazy, I'm just lazy and I'm sick and tired of boredom. Just plain boredom. What an uneventful evening. on aiming soul. Keep on drifting till I find which way to go. I just wander around wondering where to wander next. So I'll whistle a little lazy tune, wander on off to bed. I don't need a reason. I'm just entertaining boredom for the evening.